want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence. I want swag like hey, slaying in every way.
Hi, my name is Amber. Are you a seller or a reseller? Do you use platforms like StockX, Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Goat, Grailed, all of the above, something else? Well, I am here to show you a totally free resource to help you really jumpstart your sales, make more money, and it's just packed with resources, information, free tools, lots of cool stuff, and I made it. So I would love if you checked it out. But I'm going to show you today where it is, how to get there, and what's in it, and why I think it's cool. So please stay watching to the end. Looking at you. Let's get started. Hi, this is Amber from the Resell Genius, resellgenius.com, and on Instagram at resell.genius. And today I want to show you, can't really get it right there, my website. It's really all about sellers. So people who sell like clothes or shoes or accessories, people who want to flip things for cash or who want to just clear their closets out and make a little bit of extra income. If you've just started out or if you've been doing it for ages, this is a great website for you and it's totally free. So the main page here, Resell Genius, created for resellers. We've got the Genius portal. We also have some cool Genius kits. And inside these Genius kits, you'll find things like, all the tools that you need to fix an item or to refresh an item if you're selling used. Things like measuring tapes and cards for thank you notes and packing materials and sweater shavers or steamers. I mean, tons of stuff. So these are great if you wanted to get something to kind of jumpstart your selling, or you needed more tools, or maybe even for a gift. Talk about some of the resale platforms that I have used. These are just a sample. I've pretty much used all of them. I started selling, what year? Gosh, like over 20 years ago. I started on eBay. We do a little platform analysis here to help you decide which platform to sell on and all the different commission models and stuff like that. Please subscribe to the newsletter, please. But here is the meat and potatoes. So the Genius portal, which you can go up here and click on, or you can click on here. And also, just a quick shout out, you can also submit an article. So if you're a seller and you have some wisdom to share, you can submit an article by clicking here. Let's go to the portal. So this is what it looks like. You can search anything here. You can search like, I don't know, photos. It'll give you all the different things. How to take listing photos that sell, how to easily edit and fix your photos, make your photos square without cropping them, blah, blah, blah. If you don't want to search, then you can just actually go below and look through all the categories. So we have here again, submit an article. What is the Genius portal? It's an easy to search knowledge database with tips, information, handy guides, resources. Sorry, my cat's behind me. I don't know if you can see them. They're going a little nuts. Let's see if you can see them. Right there. Little white one on the ground is Yuki, and Pavlov is up above. So, sorry for the interruption. Okay, switch it back. All right. So yeah, so everything for sellers and resellers: infographics, knowledge, free stuff, facts, tools, how-tos, etc. Let's go back. We've got selling strategies, pricing, how to predict the value of a sneaker, how to price your items for resale, all about apps, platforms, listing. We've got some free templates for apparel measurements that you can use in your listings. We've got a lot about SEO and how that works for when you're selling online on a marketplace like Poshmark or eBay or whatnot. Because yes, it does matter. You should set up your listings so that they focus on SEO just as you would any website. Little section on sneakers, lots on photography, sourcing. I also did a video on a clothing haul that I got from a wholesaler for sourcing that you might want to check out. How to clean and restore sneakers before selling. And there's bunches of other things on here too that hasn't even been put up yet. Even stuff on bots, how to organize your reselling inventory, a couple different articles in a series. As an example, we will just click on one. Here's some of the little infographics that you can find on here too. So I would love for you to check it out if you are a seller or a reseller, if you are just starting out on places like eBay or Poshmark, or perhaps you have sold for a long time. And if you have sold for a long time, it would be awesome if you could submit an article. All right, thank you for listening.